Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make my version of a LEGO Elvis Presley. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs and the arms from this Death Star gunner. You are then going to want to take the torso from this Batman. The head I will be using comes from this Imperial Officer minifigure, but what works really well is a Superman minifigure. All mine are just a bit broken at the moment. Finally, the hair and the hands come from a Poe Dameron minifigure. If you've done this correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause around here if you need a reference photo for when you're building yours. Overall, I think this minifigure definitely turned out okay. I didn't quite know what outfit I wanted to make originally, but looking through what parts I had, I think this is what I could come closest to. If you have any ideas for any minifigures that you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, if you're not subscribed and you've made it this far, I'd highly appreciate it if you did, because then you'll be notified when the next video comes out. If you'd like to watch any of my other videos, feel free to click on the end cards, which should be in front of you now.